Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Safari not working on Wi-Fi. If Safari is working on Wi-Fi but works on mobile data, the problem is usually related to your Wi-Fi network, router, or iPhone settings. So to start, check your Wi-Fi connection. So make sure your iPhone is connected to a working Wi-Fi network. You can open settings, then go to Wi-Fi, confirm you're connected to the correct network, then try opening another app that uses the internet to see if Wi Fi is working. So once confirmed, go back to Safari and see if it works. Next is to restart your iPhone. So a quick restart can fix temporary software glitches. So press and hold the side button and either volume button. Then drag the power slider to turn off your iPhone. Then wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Then open Safari again and see if it works. Next is to turn Wi Fi off and on. So, refreshing the Wi Fi connection may solve the issue. So, go to your settings, then turn Wi Fi off. Wait a few seconds, like 10 to 30 seconds, and after that, turn it back on. Then connect to a correct network. Once connected, go ahead and open Safari again and see if it works. Next is to forget and rejoin the Wi Fi network. So, if the network settings are corrupted, you can open settings again, then go to Wi Fi, then tap this circle with an eye icon next to your Wi Fi network, then select Forget this network, and select Forget again to confirm the action, then reconnect by entering the Wi Fi password. So, type in your password, and once done or once reconnected, go ahead and open Safari again and see if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.